Imagine a car so rare, so breathtaking, that it blurs the line between engineering and art. A car not just designed to be driven, but to be experienced. A true statement of power, elegance, and exclusivity. This is the 2020 Maybach Mythos SL, a masterpiece that represents the pinnacle of luxury and performance. A vision of the future, where craftsmanship meets innovation in its purest form. The Maybach Mythos SL isn't just another luxury car, it's a symbol, a declaration, a promise that Maybach is still the undisputed king of ultra-luxury automobiles. Every curve, every line, every surface has been sculpted with precision to reflect prestige. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience reserved only for the select few. The first thing that strikes you is its design. Futuristic, yet timeless, aggressive yet elegant. Its long, sculpted hood flows into sleek, aerodynamic lines that make the car look like it's in motion even when it's standing still. The Maybach badge proudly rests at the center of a glowing grille, a true beacon of luxury. Ultra-slim LED headlights stretch like diamonds across its face, radiating a presence that makes everything else around it seem ordinary. From the rear, its wide stance and dramatic curves give it an aura of dominance. The Maybach Mythos SL is not just designed to be seen, it's designed to be admired. Step inside, and the world changes. You're welcomed into a sanctuary of sophistication where luxury knows no limits. Hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and customizable ambient lighting surround you in elegance. Every surface whispers perfection. The Maybach Mythos SL is more than a car interior. It's a private lounge on wheels. And this isn't just about looks. The cabin has been engineered to be a cocoon of serenity. Road noise disappears, vibrations fade away, and you're left in pure comfort. The seats. They're not just seats, they're thrones. Heated, cooled, massaging, and tailored to your exact preferences. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, the experience is nothing short of extraordinary. But beneath this elegant skin lies a beast. The 2026 Maybach Mythos SL is powered by a handcrafted twin-turbo V12 engine that produces breathtaking performance numbers. The moment you press the accelerator, you unleash raw power that surges through your veins. Smooth, effortless acceleration that takes you from 0 to 60 in mere seconds, all while wrapped in silence and refinement. It's power without chaos, speed without stress, performance without compromise. Yet, Maybach understands that true luxury today also means responsibility. That's why the Mythos SL incorporates the latest hybrid technology, blending electrification with V12 dominance. The result? Instant torque, improved efficiency, and a drive that feels more futuristic than ever. It's not just a car for today, it's a car for tomorrow. Technology is everywhere, but it never intrudes. A massive curved display stretches across the dashboard, powered by Mercedes-Benz's next-generation MBUX system. The AI learns your habits, anticipates your needs, and tailors the driving experience to you. Voice commands feel natural, navigation is intelligent, and every function is just a glance or a touch away. It's luxury seamlessly integrated with the future of digital intelligence. The sound system? A custom-built, studio-grade masterpiece designed exclusively for this car. Whether you're listening to classical jazz or modern beats, it feels like you're in a private concert hall. Every note is crystal clear, every frequency perfectly tuned. It's an audio experience so rich you'll never want the journey to end. Safety and assistance features are at the highest level imaginable. Advanced driver assistance systems ensure every drive is secure. From autonomous highway driving to intelligent parking, the Maybach Mythos SL doesn't just assist you, it protects you. Every journey is not just luxurious, but worry-free. And then, there's the exclusivity. The Maybach Mythos SL is not mass-produced. It's not something you'll see in every city, on every street. This is a car for collectors, for visionaries, for those who want to stand apart from the ordinary. Each model is built to order, tailored specifically to the desires of its owner. It's not just a car you buy, it's a car that's made for you. When you drive the Mythos SL, you're not just driving a car, you're making a statement that you demand the best, that you appreciate artistry, innovation, and heritage, that you live life at a level most can only dream of. The 2026 Maybach Mythos SL is more than an automobile. It's a dream turned reality, a fusion of tradition and technology, luxury and performance, exclusivity and innovation. It doesn't just transport you from one place to another, it elevates every moment of the journey. So ask yourself this: when the world sees you, what do you want them to see? Do you want to blend in, or do you want to stand apart? Because the Maybach Mythos SL is not for everyone. It's for the few who dare to live without compromise. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of luxury, don't forget to subscribe, because we bring you the world's most exclusive cars, the innovations that shape tomorrow, and the stories behind the machines that define true luxury. Hit the like button, share this with your friends, and join us as we continue exploring the cars that go beyond imagination.